everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In a previous video, I shared a tutorial slash review slash demo on how to apply Kiss Nails brush on nail tips. Now in this video, we are experimenting and discovering if we can apply actual nail polish from a completely different company to the nail tips that we added. With that being said, let's find out. Sally Hansen sent me 2 of their color foil nail polishes. This is the introduction postcard that they sent that also has instructions on how to apply the nail polish from this line. I received the nail color shades Steal a Kiss and Cutting Hedge. One shade is like a shiny gray silver while the other shade is a super pretty green color. I am super excited to try both of them, so here we go. I am loving these 2 colors. If either one of these shades are catching your eye, you know that I have the links just for you down in the description, patiently waiting for you. As you probably observed, I basically only applied 1 coat of nail polish for each nail. On some of the nails, they needed just a little bit more love because I probably didn't pick up enough product or I put back too much product before applying. You know, there's a balance for this process. You have to balance how much you pick up, and if you pick up too much, you got to put some back, and if you need just a little bit more, you got to, yeah. You understand the process. So, yeah, I don't think 2 coats is necessary. At least it wasn't for me because, as you can see, the color is vibrant with 1 coat, basically 1 coat. It is safe to say that you pretty much only need 1 coat for application to get this beautiful nail color. All right, we are basically done. So these nails are not dry yet, but this is the finished product. I am loving my nails right now. I cannot say that enough. And I definitely expect compliments because these bad boys are pretty. Well, that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.